Well, good morning, everyone. Half Full Monty here with another exciting video. And today we're going to talk throwing knives again. I know that wasn't a very popular video, but I had one previously where I broke my Toro throwing knife. Anyway, they're expensive, kind of, you know. Anyway, so I've looked and looked and looked, and I found some, of course. I don't want to spend a lot of money on them if they break, so I happened to find one on eBay that was priced where actually they were very reasonable price. In fact, it's really interesting to see what I ended up with here. They're supposed to be like new. And if I can figure out, it's been raining a lot, storming here in North Texas, and today's another stormy day. So anyhow, the mailman came and put everything in a garbage bag and put it behind a tree to I don't know why, but anyway, that's what he did. But here it is, it's dry. And from Lakeside, Indiana, where he shipped this from. It's a nice looking package here. The worms here. I think I'll styrofoam worms. Okay, next box. They are the Barbaro Purple World Knife Throwing League. Feel pretty heavy, but yeah, they're all pretty heavy, to tell you the truth. And just for reference, this is my old one. I had profiled them all, and we'll get more into that. But anyway, here we have looks like they're hermetically sealed. They have these pouches. I guess you could wear these on your belt loop, and they do look absolutely brand new. Oh, they have a little plastic thing on the tip. And there you have it. Now, you can only score, I think it's supposed to be 2 inches area. So it has scoring on both sides. It's a long one. I don't know if you need all this from right here to right here, but anyway, let's do some measuring here. 13 3/4 no, 15 3/4 inches long. 16 is the legal limit. The scoring area is 2.5, which I think that's what it's supposed to be. And wait for it. Let's weigh these babies. .53, and they advertise them to be 1 pound 6 ounces. So that one there turned out to be a little bit on the lighter side. 157. .157. So this one here is just a little bit lighter. Now the weak points are here. They have these. There's Arturo brand. I think they're the company's in Oklahoma. I feel like these probably came from China, but the World Axe Throwing and Knife Throwing Leagues, I believe, is a Canadian-based place. So these are their purple. These other ones that I've been throwing were originally the same purple color. And they're just a hair longer. Like I said, I ground on these and everything, trying to get them right. They're 1 pound 2 ounces to, so they're like 3 ounces heavier. And let's see what I ended up with these babies. They're about 15 inches long. So anyway, I needed one, so I basically got this whole set in a new bag and everything for less than it was going to cost me for one replacement knife. All right. I was going to go with something a little bit lighter in one solid piece, you know, old school, but they have to be approved to be able to use in the World Knife Throwing League and competition that I'm in. But anyway, there you have it. I guess I need to go out and try to stick them. So that's what we'll do.